National news. PM Modi to flag off 9 new Vande Bharat routes. Maharashtra Union Trades continue strike, surrender trade licenses. Thank you.
My name is Vamshi from Sura House. Today's state news. Telangana government extends free electricity scheme benefits to Muslim Dobis. Another 250 acres expansion in offing for Genome Valley KTR. Sports news. Indian teams preparing in all earnest for the Asian Games. Mohammad Siraj reclaims top spot among ODL bowlers. Thank you.
My name is Rohan Rao. Today's weather report is brought to you by Rohan from Red One Corals. Weather report. Minimum temperatures 22 degrees Celsius. Maximum temperatures 27 degrees Celsius. Mostly cloudy. Thank you. Next, my friend will continue. Thought.
Is brought to you by Raj. Thought. Put your heart, mind, and soul into even your smallest act. This is the secret of success. I repeat my thought. Put your heart, mind, and soul into even your smallest act. This is the secret of success. Thank you. Have it.
Representing Sura House here to give today's word. Today's word is dynamic, meaning a person with positive attitude and good new thoughts. Abdul Kalam was a dynamic person. Friends, please spell after me. Dynamic. D-Y-N-A-M-I-C. Dynamic. Thank you.
Information about basketball is brought to you by Pratik of Grade 6 Jasper. Basketball is a team sport in which two teams, usually consisting of 5 players on each team, play against each other on a rectangular court. The game of basketball was invented in 1891 James Naismith. The first public basketball game took place in 1892. Today it is a very popular sport worldwide, played with a round and usually orange ball that bounces. Thank you.
Today's information about ICT is brought to you by Akshaya of Sura House. The first computer virus was created in 1971. It was called the Creeper. Google does 70,000 search queries every second or 5.8 billion per day. In October 2017, Saudi Arabia has proved citizenship to a robot Sophia. This robot can change the facial expressions of the face and can chat with people. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.
Today's GK questions is brought to you by Kirtana Roy of Sura House. Question for grade 1 and 2. Which festival is known as Festival of Lights? You pick the right answer and the answer is Diwali. Question for grade 3 and 4. Which is the fastest animal on the land? You pick the right answer and the answer is cheetah. Let us appreciate them. Question for grade 5 and 6. Which continent has most number of countries? You pick the wrong answer and the answer is Africa. Question for grade 7 and 8. How many cricket World Cup does India have? You pick the right answer and the answer is 2. Let us appreciate them. Question for grade 9 and 10. Who invented electricity? You didn't pick the right answer and the answer is Benjamin Franklin. Open question for all. Who is the founder of Apple company? You picked the wrong answer and the answer is Steve Jobs. Thank you.
Today's task is keep those books on the shelf. Start. Yes, I can keep those books back. Now again keep those books on the shelf. Now again keep those books back. Now again keep those books on the shelf.
1 second. We made a mistake. Let's make a cube.
Now what did you understand from this?
Work together, save time.
Yes, you are right. Now coming together is beginning. Keeping together is progress. Working together is success.